Beneath the rolling woodlands of North Kilkenny lies Jenkinstown House, sometimes called Jenkinstown Castle, a place where history, legend, and architecture all collided. The story begins in the 12th century, when a Norman fortification first marked this ground. Centuries later, it passed to the Bryans, and through marriage to the Bellew family, who would shape its destiny. By the 18th century, a fine Palladian residence stood here, all balance and classical order. But the 19th century brought new ambition. Around 1814, Sir Patrick Bellew, later Lord Bellew of Barmeath, commissioned architect William Robertson to transform Jenkinstown into a romantic, castellated Gothic mansion. It was bold, dramatic, and flawed. The structure soon showed signs of failure. Another architect, Charles Frederick Anderson, tried to rebuild, but his work too collapsed. What was meant to be a great Irish castle was cut back, reshaped, and reduced, a vision only half realized. Still, life at Jenkinstown thrived. Guests walked its gardens, and it was here in 1805 that poet Thomas Moore is said to have written lines of "The Last Rose of Summer," inspired by a single bloom in the walled garden. The 20th century brought decline. In 1936, the Bellews sold the estate, wings were demolished, and even one grand gateway was dismantled and moved to Kilkenny city. Only fragments of the house survived, including its chapel and tower. Yet Jenkinstown refused to vanish. In the 21st century, restoration brought the ruins back to life. The chapel became an auditorium. The manor house reclaimed its dignity. Today, the surrounding Jenkinstown Park welcomes visitors to walk among bluebells, ancient trees, and deer, while the house itself stands as a testament to survival. From the air, you can see it all. Centuries of ambition, collapse, and renewal, stitched into the quiet beauty of Kilkenny's countryside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.